I'm going to show you how to create an express route. So you create resource, and you click on the create. You pick a provider who is going to supply your circuit, then you pick a location closest to you. Then you are going to select a bandwidth options. How big of a pipe do you want coming from your supplier? These are the bandwidths which you can have. You can have 10 gigabits per second, or you can choose whichever bandwidth from your supplier you're actually getting. I'm going to keep the SKU standard, and I'm going to keep the billing model unlimited, and then I'm going to select the resource group which I have created previous, and then you select a region and then just create that, and then it should